Hey everybody! So today I have a box. I know what's new. It was made in Vietnam. I can tell you that. Anyways, let's get the box out of the box. Alright, so pull tab. Let's see if that actually pulls. And there we go. Oh, that's a really nice box. Anyways, as you can see, I've got a Mac Mini. This is the base model with 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gig SSD. And I got it mainly so I can compare it to my mini PCs that I keep getting. Because if this is as good as you see online, then this is going to be pretty nice to have. That actually might become my main PC. Maybe. Anyways, we have power cord that's braided. That's actually quite nice. I do like that this has an internal power supply because all of the mini PCs that I've been getting do not have an internal power supply. There's a controversial button. But yeah, that's it. Yep. Did they stop including stickers? Because I haven't bought an Apple product in so damn long. Nice little guide and some, before using, blah, blah, blah. All right. Quick unboxing. So my phone's about ready to die, but yeah, I'm going to get this hooked up and start testing some stuff. Thanks for watching the dirty unboxing. I'll see you later. Also, if you stayed this long, let me know how you like my audio because I did upgrade.